shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for January 30th, 2020. Wow, what a morning it is. Looks like everything dropped down. We went back up to resistance. All right, here's that trend line I had drawn out here, right? Pretty basic trend line. We hit resistance and we're coming down. So we could come all the way down to this 322 in the big picture. I like 320 for a nice target as well. You see I have it here bolded on my whisper. So today though, short term, bullish above 325 for a retracement trade. Doesn't mean I'm bullish. Whenever you see retracement, we are going against the trend, but it's a retracement to resistance. A lot of times it's a pivot at the end of the road. A lot of times it's a Camarilla resistance. S1, that's person's pivot. So all these levels. So we're going to be bearish below 323.75. All right, key level. Let's go to the E-minis. All right, we're going to be bullish above 32.56. Looks like we just tested that and pulled back. And bearish below 32.42.50 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell bullish above 163.50 for a retracement trade. And bearish below 162.25. The Qs. I want to talk to you about the Qs because guess what we got yesterday? We got a massive dark pool level. Yeah, it's been a while. Thank you, Dan, for calling it out as well. I did notice it, by the way, Dan, when we were up to about 2 million. But wow, 4 million new level. And you can see I've written it right here for you guys, okay? So pay attention to 221.44. That's going to be really key. That's why I'm bullish above it, 221.50, and I'm bearish below 219.50. So just drawing here, we're bullish above here, and we are bearish below here. This is my no trading zone. All right, let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Going to be bullish above 90.50. We just did that for a retracement trade. We just hit our first target, 90.65. 90.75 would be the next target. I like to see it clear this 200 moving average. Yep, these are really powerful. Again, if you don't have them on your chart, I highly recommend the 200 simple and the 200 exponential. That's in brown here. Algos are definitely programmed to buy and sell on a 5-minute and a 15-minute chart. They're amazing. Okay, so bearish below 9,000 for that. Excuse me. So the Dow futures, we're going to be bullish above 28,525 for a retracement trade, and we just started that trade to 567. We did hit my first target, and 28,603 would be my second. See if we can go there. But if it turns around, bearish below 28,460 for that. Let's go to the oil futures. So there's CL underscore F, or on my platform, it's a QM. Yep, is my oil futures as well. So bullish above 52.50 and bearish below 51.99. I know you guys are so used to me showing you this, so I will. Okay, so bullish above 52.50. You can see that we have person's S1. Yeah, once we drop below it, a support level, it becomes resistance. So you can see we went up to it and pulled back, and that's why my level is above it. And bearish below 51.99. Okay, my first target, though, is right below it because we have S2. So that's really a key level. If we can't hold on to that, that's when you have a much bigger move. And you can see I have this dotted line. This is a trend line on a weekly chart. And this goes back. Oh yeah, this is powerful. Look how far it goes back, this trend line. All the way back to 2016. So remember I told you this 55 level was the key. If we broke below, look out below. We're most likely going to come down to that trend line. Well, guess where we are? Just above it. Yep. So these trend lines are really powerful. So watch that if you trade oil. Let's go to the gold futures. That's next. So gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 1587.50. Okay, right above R1. And we're going to be bearish below 1582.50. We just dropped. This is a retracement trade. We'll most likely come down to this pivot. Watch for a bounce there. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. Let's start with Facebook. Yeah, it's doing a face plant today. It's down a lot. It's down about $15. So we could retrace. Yep. If you look on the daily chart, yeah, we've come down to this pretty powerful moving average, the simple 50. So we could hammer there and we could bounce up a little bit. So bullish above 208 for a retracement trade, bearish below 206. If we turn around and go below 206, look out below for Facebook. I did notice a seller on the iNet book. See if he's still there. Let's see, 208, and then there's a guy at 209.10. Yep. So watch those levels for Facebook. All right, let's go to the next one, Tesla. All right, think people are going to stop shorting Tesla. All right, stop it. You know, hedge fund out of business. I hope they're not still short it. Bullish above 650. That's a key level. I did see a seller there on the iNet book. Let's see if he's still there. Up. Actually, there's another one. 637. So watch that level. Let me see if there's a guy at 650. 640. There's a guy. So he might be spoofing. Let's see. It's not going up there. Yep, he might have changed his order. Yep, spoofing does happen. We see it every day. They move their orders around. All right, bearish below 635 for a retracement trade. We did hit quite a few of my targets on the downside, which is why I post my whisper out early in the morning for those of you that do like to trade pre-market. I would watch the 630 level now. Yep. If it does go below 630, yep, that's another retracement trade. Short term. Okay, we don't have any prints. MU, bullish above 55 today and bearish below 53.75. Let's go to AMD. AMD, we're going to be bullish above 47.25 for retracement to the 4 EMA. And bearish below 46.25. I personally like to take the trades going with the trend. I'm not crazy about retracement trades. I don't like going against the trend. I'll wait for it to retrace and then pull back down again and short. I'd rather go with the gravitational pull. But there are shorter little retracement trades, so you can keep that in mind and do what feels comfortable. I like the bigger trade setup. So GLD. GLD, bullish above 149.20. Gold, moving up again. Watch IAU as well. That's where the dark pool loves to trade. IAU. And we are very bullish above 15. That was in my daily insights, dark pool insights. I showed you all those massive prints on gold. And, yeah, so IAU is very slow to trade. So I highly recommend, okay, I highly recommend trading GLD. That's a strong gold stock. The miners are not as strong, so we've been going long GLD in the Java pit. And Daniel is saying one of the best things I ever said to you was follow the path of least resistance. Yes. So simple, right, Daniel? So simple. But yet everybody likes to fight traffic, right? Trading should be easy. And welcome Vazir to the room, by the way. Can you hear me okay? I see you found the chat box. Just want to make sure you can hear me. And I'll talk a little bit more in my morning meeting to you as well. Okay, but great to have you. GE. We do have quite a few new traders, by the way. So welcome. I will catch up with you in just a couple moments. All right, GE was a great whisper yesterday. Kahuna rocked that one. Awesome job, Kahuna. Today I'm going to be bullish above 13. Yep, we stopped there right on the dime because computers are loaded to sell on dollar increment levels. So today we're going to be bullish above, but bearish below 12.50. We had a 3.2 million print on GE. That gets me excited. All right, 1 million's okay, but 3 million is big. So that's a key level. If we do go below that, then we turn bearish. I want to be below the prints, okay? Then we could retrace back down on the daily chart down here. Okay, let's go to Coca-Cola. Mary Beth, thank you for the call out on that. I really do appreciate the help in the morning. Coca-Cola bullish above 58.20 and bearish below 56.80, and that would be a retracement trade, possibly down to where the dark pool was buying at 56. Yeah, back here they were buying, they pushed it up. A lot of times they may retest and say, hey guys, you still want to buy it? And if they do, they'll pop it up, but if not, that's when we would come down to about this 55 level in the bigger picture. So one more, CCL, Carnival. Yeah, people canceling cruises. Yeah, I would imagine they might be doing that in the short term until we can get that coronavirus under control. But in the meantime, let's trade it. Bullish above 44.50 for a retracement trade to resistance, and bearish below 43.20. We did just dip below that, so that trade is on. So there you have it. Those are your whispers. For January 30th, I have to give a shout out to my cousin Michelle. Happy birthday. I love you. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.